Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and it is midsummer and time for you to get snippy with your petunias. So I like to use these they have kind of a long needle nose point, and these are actually made by a company called Corona that they pop open automatically. The reason I like that, I'm taking all these little light snips, and it's easier. They just pop open, you just easily, gently close on them. So here's a petunia basket. It's looking pretty good, but before it gets long and scraggly, around mid-July, midsummer, I just go along and I just clip back anything that is sticking out a little bit far. So I'm just making these little cuts. These are going to make great cut flowers indoors. They actually smell pretty good as well. So I'm making little cups, and these are super petunias, and they're double flowering. They don't grow very, very fast, but then this variety is a little bit longer, and it also, I'm going to shorten that up before things get out of control. And so now, if I wait till August to prune these back, I have to do more severe pruning. So if you're going to go on vacation in August and be gone for a couple of weeks, you can go ahead and prune back your giant petunia baskets by half. They won't look so good. Give them a good shot of fertilizer. Have your neighbors water them while you're gone, and when you come home, they're going to be spectacular again. But look down here. We also have a petunia growing in the ground, and it's going to be growing over the path a little bit, so don't be shy. People before plants, get snippy with your petunia baskets now in about midsummer, and they'll be nice and full and bountiful all the way into the first frost. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.